Everyone thinks you need Runway or Pika to bulk create AI videos. Wrong. I just found a completely free automation stack that generates more videos in one click than most creators post in a month, and with zero character inconsistency. Watch this.
On a sunny morning, Milo, Luna, and Button plan something fun together. A bright kite idea fills their minds as they dream big together. They gather
3 weeks ago, I was spending 6 hours making this AI short. Today, I generate 10 videos with perfect character consistency in under 20 minutes. The difference? 4 free automation tools and 1 workflow I'm about to walk you through step by step. And in step 3, you will see the magic happens. Welcome to AIpreneur, and let's get started. Step 1, generate your story and image prompts. All right, this step is for creating your story and turning it into perfect image prompts for consistent character scenes. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in under 3 minutes using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Then search for Story Generator and select it. This is a specially designed GPT that creates engaging stories perfect for short-form content. Now simply ask it with this exact prompt. You will get all prompts pack in the description. Within seconds, this Story GPT will write you a complete story with all the drama and emotion you need, along with perfect character consistency. Now here's the crucial part. We need to turn these scene descriptions into image generation prompts for Google Whisk. So in the same ChatGPT conversation, paste this exact prompt. This step is critical because it creates perfectly formatted image prompts that will keep your characters looking identical across all scenes. Watch as ChatGPT creates detailed image prompts for each scene of your story. Copy all of these image prompts because in step 2, you're about to see how we generate consistent character images in bulk using a free automation tool. Step 2, set up AutoWisk and generate consistent scenes. This is where we create all our story images with perfect character consistency using an automation tool that most creators don't know about. Open Google and search for exactly this. AutoWisk Automator for Whisk AI. This is a free Chrome extension that lets you batch generate images instead of doing them one by one. Once you find it in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Now, click on the AutoWisk extension icon in your browser. First thing, change the language if you need to by clicking the language dropdown and selecting what works for you. I'll choose English. Next, you'll see 2 versions available. And for this tutorial, we're using the second version, so click on that. Now you'll see the main interface where we'll paste our prompts in just a second. But here's the secret to keeping perfect character consistency. We need to create our main characters first and use them as reference images for all the scenes. So go back to ChatGPT in the same conversation and paste this prompt. This prompt will describe main characters in the story like appearance, colors, and format each one in text to image prompt. Next, hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you character prompts. Now, open Google Whisk in a new tab. Copy the first character prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk, then hit Generate. Your first character image appears, and this is going to be your consistency anchor. Now click the small left arrow icon in Whisk to save this to your workspace. Then drag that character image into the subject box on the left sidebar. Uncheck it for now. We'll enable it in a moment. Now repeat this for your second character. Copy the second character prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, generate the image, then click the plus icon in the subject section and drag the second character into the second subject box. Now let's set up our style reference to make sure every image has the same visual style. So go back to ChatGPT and ask it, give me a style reference prompt for this story based on the animation style in the Consistency Bible. In a moment, you will get your style reference of your story. So copy that style prompt, paste it into Whisk, and generate that style image. Once it's done, scroll down the left sidebar in Whisk and drag the style image into the style box. Now, make sure the style checkbox and both subject checkboxes are now enabled. This is critical for consistency. Perfect. Now we're ready to generate all our scene images with perfect character consistency. Go back to AutoWisk extension and paste all your scene image prompts that ChatGPT created earlier into the text box. Hit the Start button, and AutoWisk will ask if you want to create a new Whisk project or continue with an open one. Choose Run on this project because we want to use the character and style references we just set up. Now watch the magic happen and starts generating images one by one, completely hands-free. And here's the best part. Every single image will have your exact characters with the same faces, same outfits, and same style because we locked in those references. AutoWisk will work through all your prompts and download every image automatically to your computer in a numbered folder. No clicking, no saving manually, just pure automation. This might take 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how many scenes you have. So grab a coffee while it works. And speaking of what comes next, in step 3, we're going to take these consistent images and turn them into actual videos using a secret automation trick that nobody's talking about. Step 3, set up Automator.ai and generate consistent videos. This step is where we will set up the tools that will transform our consistent images into animated videos in bulk with just one click. This is where the real automation power comes in. So head over to Meta AI and open an account on it. Meta AI is completely free. To access it, you'll need to log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Once you're logged in, just keep this tab open because we're going to connect it with our automation tool in just a second. Now here comes the game changer. Open a new tab in Google and search for exactly this. Automator Automation for Meta AI. Make sure you type the full name because it's a new extension and won't show up easily in a regular web search. Once you find it in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome and then pin it to your toolbar so you can access it easily. Now here's where it gets exciting. Click on the Automator extension icon and you'll see a button that says Go to Meta AI. Click that button and it will automatically connect the extension to your Meta AI account. You'll know it's working when you see both the Meta AI interface and the Automator control panel on the same screen. Now, here's the brilliant part of our workflow. Instead of just using text prompts, which would give us inconsistent characters, we're going to upload all those consistent images we just created with AutoWisk, and then Automator will use those images to generate videos, which means every video will have the exact same characters and style. But before we upload the images, we need one more thing. Video prompts that describe the motion and action for each scene. For creating the animation prompts that tell Meta AI how to bring our images to life with movement and action, go back to ChatGPT in the same conversation where we created our story and image prompts. Now paste this exact prompt. As I said, you will find all prompts in the description. These prompts are perfect because they describe motion without changing the characters or setting, which means Meta AI will animate our existing images instead of creating new random characters. Copy all of these video animation prompts, and now we're ready for the most exciting part, bulk video generation with perfect consistency. This is where everything comes together in the most amazing way. So go to the folder AutoWisk, download all your scene images, and make sure they're numbered in order from scene 1, scene 2, all the way to your final scene. Now go back to your Automator extension where it's connected to Meta AI. You'll see two important sections. One says image list and the other says prompt box. Here's the workflow. First, click on image list and you'll see an option to upload images. Click that and select all your scene images from the folder, making sure they upload in the correct order. Automator will list them all in sequence. Now, here's the magic. Go to the prompt box section and paste all those video animation prompts that ChatGPT just created for you, every single one of them. Make sure the prompts are in the same order as your images. So scene 1 prompt matches scene 1 image. Scene 2 prompt matches scene 2 image, and so on. Before you hit start, click on the settings icon in the corner because there's one important option you need to turn on. You'll see a toggle for auto download, and I highly recommend turning this on because it will automatically save each video as it's created, so you don't have to download them manually one by one. Now here comes the most exciting part. Click the start button and watch what happens. Automator will take the first image, combine it with the first animation prompt, send it to Meta AI to generate a video, download it automatically, then move to the second image and second prompt, and repeat this process for every single scene you created. You don't have to click anything, you don't have to monitor it, you just let it run. And because we're using our consistent character images from Whisk, every video will have the exact same characters with the same faces, same outfits, and same style throughout the entire story. No random character changes, no inconsistencies, just perfect continuity from start to finish. Depending on how many scenes you have, this might take 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the perfect time to move on to step 4, where we're going to create the professional voiceover that brings the whole story to life. Step 4, create professional AI voiceover with ElevenLabs. And we're going to use ElevenLabs because it has the most natural-sounding AI voices available for free. But before that, we need a short narration script for our story. So go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will ask you to paste your story with the consistency Bible and scene 1 to scene 10 or 12 prompts. So come back to your story you just generated with the GPT story generator at the very beginning and paste the entire thing here, including the consistency Bible and all scene descriptions, then hit generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate you a short narration script for every scene, and that's your whole narration script story, perfectly timed and formatted. Now, head over to ElevenLabs.io and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, which is more than enough for several videos. Once you're logged in, you'll see the text-to-speech interface on the left side of the homepage. Paste your entire narration script that you just generated into the text box. Here's where ElevenLabs really shines. Click on the voice drop-down menu and you'll see dozens of ultra-realistic voices to choose from. I recommend trying voices like Adam for a confident narrator tone, or Bella for a warmer storytelling feel. You can even click the play button next to each voice to preview how your story will sound. Once you find a voice you love, make sure the settings are on default, then click Generate. ElevenLabs will process your entire story, and within seconds, you'll have studio-quality narration that sounds completely human. Click the download button to save your audio file, and now you have professional voiceover ready to go. At this point, your bulk videos should be finished generating and downloaded. So let's head to step 5, where we're going to assemble everything into a final, polished video using CapCut's free editor. Step 5, assemble your video with CapCut. Lastly, it's time of putting everything together. And we're going to do this inside CapCut's free desktop editor. So open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Now import all the video clips that Automator downloaded for you, and also import the voiceover audio file you just created with ElevenLabs. Here's how to assemble this quickly. First, drag your voiceover audio onto the timeline at the bottom. This is your foundation, because everything else will sync to this voice. Then listen to your voiceover, and as you hear each part of the story, drag the corresponding video clip onto the timeline above the audio and position it to match. Keep doing this for each scene, matching the visuals to the narration, and don't worry, this goes faster than you think because your videos are already numbered in order from Automator. Once all your clips are on the timeline, it's time to add captions. And CapCut makes this super easy. Go to text at the top, then click Auto Captions. And CapCut will automatically generate subtitles synced to your voiceover. Choose a caption style that's bold and easy to read. I like the ones with a colorful background or outline. Click Apply and boom, professional animated captions appear on your entire video. Now let's add some smooth transitions to make it flow better. Go to Transitions in the top menu, and I recommend using simple ones like dissolve or fade between each clip. Or if you want something more dynamic, try flip or slide. Just drag your chosen transition between each clip on the timeline. Finally, let's add some background music to boost engagement. Click Audio, then Sounds, and search for upbeat or cinematic music depending on your story's mood. Drag it onto the timeline below your voiceover, and here's the key. Lower the music volume to around 20% so it doesn't overpower your narration. And that's it. Your video is complete. Click Export in the top right. Choose 1080p quality and let CapCut render your final video.
On a sunny morning, Milo, Luna, and Button plan something fun together. A bright kite idea fills their minds as they dream big together. They gather supplies carefully, ready to start building their kite. The kite droops sadly, and everyone pauses to think again. Sticky tape causes giggles, turning trouble into silly fun. The kite feels too heavy, and they realize help matters. Working together, they fix the kite with care and smiles. The kite lifts briefly, wobbling as they try once more. One strong run sends the kite soaring high above them.
In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional AI-generated short with perfect character consistency from start to finish that's ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Perfect! That's the complete workflow. And the best part is you can repeat it every single day to create unlimited content with perfect character consistency. With this automation system, you can easily post 20 to 30 shorts per day across all your platforms. Schedule them in advance and watch your channels grow on autopilot. This is exactly how all successful channels are doing it. They're not spending hours editing, they're using automation to post more content than anyone else. And now the secret is keeping perfect character consistency, which we just solved. So here's my challenge for you. Create your first automated video today using this exact method. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to AIpreneur because I'm dropping more automation tutorials like this every single week. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.